welcome back to my channel. And so today we're gonna unbox my Splat SRB 1200, and yup, it's from I wanted to get since, but I finally got it. And then I have the new Pyro too. First of all, we're gonna unbox the Splat SRB 1200 first. So we have the things right here. You guys can see it, but so first of all is the drum mag right here. You guys can see it. You guys can see it right, but let's turn it right there. 1200 on clear drum mag. Then manual instructions. Yeah, I know that already. And then we have the blaster itself. And yeah. So and then we have safety goggles. Safety glasses. And we have the buttstock, detachable buttstock. And then we have the battery, the funnel, which yeah. And then we have the the Orbis 1200 gallons. I mean 6,000 gallons. And we have the 7.4 volt battery, pretty big. And we have last of all, this is for your like asleep. Yeah, and then we're gonna put the gun together. First of all, remove that. And it should be the battery. Yep. So here the lights up. It's a pretty good blaster, I'm not gonna lie. The performance is pretty good, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't do it, but I'll shoot it for you guys. So fast it shoots. Okay, pretty good. Super duper hard. Alright. I'm gonna put the Orbis in the drum mag. It should be in this. Yeah, I hit it. This thing doesn't work that good, that's why. Alright guys, I'll be back. This thing does not want to go in there. That's the problem. I hate that. Doesn't want to go in. Get in there. Then we'll find a lead. Alright, so there it is. The gun. And wait, that's not the full body. And then we have this one right here. The full gun. Let's move on, chat. Next, we have, I'm excited for this one right here. The new Splat SRB 800. So we have this right here, the Splat SRB 800. First of all, wait, let me put Orbis on this thing. Alright, so it's filled with Orbis. I put some Orbis right now. The ginormous 800 ROM. This is clearly way more bigger than the SRB 400. And then we have all this safety goggles in there. And I'll make a separate video of shooting the both of them guns. And then we have the buttstock, the sling one, then the gun itself. Put the battery in it first. Okay, there you go. I mean, it's coherent, but let's shoot it. That's how the gun sounds. So, and this is the gun itself. Let me put the buttstock on there. Can't put it in. Oh, I just have to do that. That's kind of whack.
Whack-a-mole.